So in this demonstration we are going to understand Android Standalone SDK Tools. So Android provides you a beautiful IDE, and name of the IDE is Android Studio. This Android Studio can be downloaded from this website developer.android.com. It is around 1+ GB, so you can download it, install it on your machine. Once Android Studio is installed, we can go to Start button, we can search for our Android Studio, we can run this program. As soon as Android Studio loads, we'll get access to SDK tools, and we are going to understand the SDK tools as far as this demo is concerned. Studio is running, you get access to your recent projects which you have developed. On the right hand side, we have different sections using which we can manage Android Studio. In this section, we'll go to Configure. Within Configure, we have a section known as Sdk Manager. This Sdk Manager is the standalone software development kit manager using which we can manage different versions of Android operating system. Let's click on Sdk Manager. And as soon as Sdk Manager loads, now you can see that the very first option selected for Android devices is Android SDK, and Android SDK is installed at a specific location. On my Android Studio, I have a few Android versions installed, and this is Android 5.0.1 is installed, Android 6.0 is installed, but there are many Android operating system versions available. Let's say the minimum is 2.1 and the maximum is 7.1.1. So you can download as many Android operating system versions you want and you can install them. Then what we can do is, after platforms, we'll go to Standalone SDK Tools. Within this Standalone SDK Tools, you can see that we have build tools available, we have Google Play services available, we have USB drivers, web drivers, and these are some of the standalone tools which are available in Android Studio. Using these tools, we can connect to Android devices and we can perform security analysis on the devices. Then we can update SDK using SDK update sites. There are a few default sites available from where we can quickly update images for Android repository, for Android system images, for Android Wear system images, Android TV system images, and other Google APIs. So I hope you understand what SDK is and what SDK tools are, from where you can update your SDK site, and what are SDK platforms which are available.